Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this video will be a simple noon time on a Sunday. Hope you would like it, so keep watching. Before that, if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. The best part of noon time is always preparing lunch. I am preparing broccoli and potato curry with canned mackerel fish curry. Slicing up the onions, tomatoes, garlics for the curry. I always soak up broccoli with hot water for few minutes. Soak in basmati rice for 30 minutes. So now I am going to prepare the broccoli and potato curry. In a heated pan, adding oil. When the oil heats, add mustard seeds, chopped garlic. Adding onions and green chilies. sorting it well. When the onions are sorted, add the broccoli. Mix it well and cook it for 2 minutes. Adding a pinch of turmeric. I am not going to add any chili powders. Mix the broccoli well and cook for another 2 minutes. So while the broccoli cooks, I'm going to heat a clay pot with coconut oil. When the oil is hot enough, add mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds splutter well. Now it's time to add coconut milk for the broccoli. Add curry leaves to the splattered seeds along with chopped garlic. Add the sliced onions. Add the chopped tomatoes. Add salt. When the broccoli boils, add the boiled potatoes. When the tomatoes are cooked well, add the spices. A pinch of turmeric. Add chili powder. Add the turmeric water. When the oil separates, add water. Broccoli and potato curry is cooked well. When the curry starts to boil, add the mackerel pieces. Close with the lid and let it boil. I forgot to add green chili, so I am adding it now. So this is prawn crackers, our recent addiction. Heating the oil to fry the crackers. So this is my Sunday lunch plate. So that's all for today's vlog. Hope you like it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Thank you for watching.